Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove the watermark. Animoto is an online video creation platform that allows users to easily create professional looking videos using photos, video clips, text and music, and it is widely used for presentations, marketing videos and educational content and social media because of its simple drag and drop interface. So when using the free version of Animoto, all exported video include an Animoto watermark, and this watermark appears to promote the platform and indicates that the video was created using a free plan. So first you need to go to the Animoto app, and to remove the watermark you need to log into your Animoto account from the dashboard, and over here you can select your video project you want to export without the watermark. So since that, you can go to the My Videos in the bottom left. So over here you need to select your project. So after that, over here it says to remove your Animoto watermark you need to update Animoto version, and removing the watermark requires upgrading to a paid Animoto plan, and you can select upgrade now in the top, or pricing option you can choose a plan that fits you need as such as professional or business plan. And once the plan is upgraded, you can return to your video and click to the export or download video, and your video will now be exported in high quality without the Animoto watermark. And that's it. That's how you can remove the Animoto watermark. By upgrading your plan, you can create clean professional videos suitable for presentations, promotions and sharing online. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to remove the watermark. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any confusion or trouble, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.